We've all said, I'll do it later. And then later comes around and all those tasks that used to be small have now piled up. It all just gets to a point. You know, all those really small tasks that you're just like, I'll do it later. Yeah, how many stuff have you said that to? Personally, I've reached the point where all those little small tasks have started stacking up. Like, I've been in avoidance mode for like months. So today we're fixing that. Now, you might be thinking, girl, you're being so dramatic. If I really have that many stuff to do, how am I gonna do that in one day? Well, that's the thing. These are all super small tasks that could have easily just taken me like a minute out of my day when I had to do them. But my lazy ass kept saying, I'll do it later. So now I'm going to have to take extra time out of a random day to complete them because I have to. But I just don't want to do that. But it's the afternoon and I can definitely do all these tasks in like less than 2 hours. First things first, this is actually the one that I wanted to do the least, which is why I'm doing it first. Just something about having to clean my Dyson every single time I use it, like I can't do it. Today we're tackling it. We are cleaning out my Dyson era. Let me tell you, it's a hairball. What do we start with? What do we start with? Take a second and look, and to be ew. I know it's my hair, but it's just like, that's not even all of it. Like, oh, that was all of it. She's clean now. This is the one that I do use quite often. Why is there like white stuff, or is that like product buildup? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like white. Like, what is that? I feel like there's already hair in my mouth, and that's like what's really pissing me off. This is literally never ending. There's like hair inside the brush. It's fully inside. Oh my god, wait. I think I got most of the hairs out. Look how clean that already looks. And not a disgusting hairball. Literally so easy. I literally think that took me like 8 minutes. Now, another thing in my list, such an easy thing that I've been so annoying. Like, I don't know why I just haven't done it. It's so stupid too. It keeps me up at night. Obviously not even that much because I still haven't done it. But it pisses me off so much every single time I look at this part of my room. It pisses me off because it just looks so ugly and like uneven and incomplete. I have had this little like mini polaroid wall forever. That pisses me off right there. Best believe we are doing it today because this just pisses me off. I'm literally going to show you guys real time how long this takes me. I'm putting a timer right now and I'm going to show you guys that this literally could have taken me like actually 5 seconds of my life. Why haven't you done it? 1, 2. I don't remember where I have this actually. It's this little Instax. I just have to pick what picture I want. I'll do a friend one. Look how cute that picture is. I love it. That took me less than 3 minutes. Cheers. Delicious. We have our official picture. It's me and my boyfriend at Coachella. I posted this on Instagram, so go follow me. All I had to do from the beginning, print it out, poke. Look at how much better that looks. Could have done that ages ago. Literally all I need is little cotton pads and some makeup remover. Bothers me every single time I get ready, yet I still do not like making my life easier for some reason. These two little pink things that you see right here are my lash tools. My problem with this one is now the black is starting to like get over, which is like what I actually use to like protect my eye. So these last like 3 times I've done my makeup, I've gotten mascara on my eyelids no matter what. And then this lash separator, there are now a bajillion clumps of mascara. So it's literally not separating my lashes because the clumps aren't like there is no openings. Like, do you guys see that? There's like literally no way it's going to separate my lashes like this. I'm literally gonna reuse the timer again to show you guys how fast we could have done this. There she is. Let's just clean my whole vanity at this point. She is clean. It took me 1 minute. Clean. out. Now my tools are clean. Literally, when I tell you guys, that is going to make my life easier in the sense that it's gonna take some time off my hands. Now there's not gonna be mascara all over my eyelid and my lashes aren't gonna be clumped together like how they low-key are right now. This next one, I have just been being cheap, which is why I haven't been wanting to do it. It's scheduling my appointments that I need, not only to glow up, I very much need to do that. And these are my appointments, like my lash lift, my hair. If I'm being honest, I haven't scheduled these appointments because I just don't want to spend money. But I know these will make my life easier because it will be my height maintenance things that I need to do to be low maintenance. It's just like making the appointment, it makes it real that I have to spend this money. First one, I'll do my lash lift first. I have to check when I have my nail appointment because I do already have that set. Okay, so I have my nails June 3rd. So I could get my lashes done June 4th? June 4th, 11 a.m. Why not? Why not? Perfect. Let's text my hair girl. I can get my hair done this Saturday, honestly, because if I have plans, I feel like it'd be nice to not have to worry about it. I'll get it done this Saturday. Hello, it's Andrea. I just wanted to see if there was any availability. And send. Appointments are booked. Let me just tell you guys, there's actually 2 full drawers of clothes that I've also bought. This isn't even all of it. The problem here is it's not even just the fact that I've just let these clothes marinate. Also the fact that I don't want to put them away because I've bought all of these stuff for my trip. So like I'm gonna pack them. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look through everything that's in here and see if it truly is stuff that I'm gonna take over there on my trip. Thing. This is a drawer that I've taken over. All that's left for me to do is just to put them away nicely. I semi-organized everything. It is not like the neatest, craziest, nicest organization. But I just also wasn't about to do all that because like I'm literally packing these next few days. Like be for real. Dale, dale, dale. Low-key, what I want to do for that I have been avoiding doing for months. I want to update my channel banner. Fingers crossed it works. Did! That's amazing. Wait, this is gorge. I love this. Even though these were such small things and it wasn't like anything crazy like a video where I'm like going out shopping and I'm going out this and I'm going out that. Like I literally was like in my room most of this video completing these small tasks. But I think that's also the reality of most of our lives. Go take something off your plate. I don't know, big or small, go do it. It's gonna make you feel good. Bye.